Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, we are from Department of Agricultural Extension from 11 Maret University, and the team is Eni Lestari, Sugiharjo, and Agung Wibowo. We are present managing ecotourism in Genilangit village based on a stimulus of religious ecology in order to adapt to climate change. The background. Climate change has created a sense of global kinship and increased levels of religiosity. People have an obligation to manage natural and environmental resources by adapting to climate change. This article describes the sustainability of ecotourism development in Genilangit based on participation, the management of ecotourism in Genilangit based on a stimulus of religious ecology, and the strategies of the Mountainside Community for adapting to climate change. Introduction. Mayling and Peter, in 1992, described sustainable development as the balance between all the factors of production which enable a sustainable increase in human well-being for all social and economic groups by minimizing negative effects on the physical and social environment. And the second is Purbo, in 1992, suggests that the connection between ecology and economic growth is the basis for the implementation of sustainable development. Next is research method. This research employs a qualitative method which, according to Diamond and Holloway, 2008, tends to be connected holistically with the subjective nature of a social reality. The research was carried out on the southern slope of Mount Lawu in the village of Genilangit in the Poncol district of Magetan Regency. The technique of analysis used a single case analysis. According to Miles and Huberman, 1992, for analyzing use interactive analysis model. There are three components of the analysis are data reduction, data presentation, and verification. Results and discussion. The village of Genilangit is situated on the southern slope of Mount Lawu, which offers a picturesque beauty and attractive panorama. The community of Genilangit village, especially members of the Karang Taruna Youth Organization, regard this natural beauty as a resource which has the potential to be developed as a tourist park and also offers the possibility to be developed to become a form of local wisdom. Genilangit village is one of 8 villages in the Poncol district of Magetan Regency. The first is sustainability of ecotourism development in Genilangit. In Genilangit, the ecotourism that has been developed in the conservation area is ecotourism which is green and fair, with the interest of sustainable development and conservation at the forefront, namely in the form of a business activity which aims to provide an alternative sustainable economy for the Genilangit community to share the benefit of the conservation effort properly, and to contribute to conservation by increasing the concern and support for the sustainability of protected landscapes in aspect of economic sustainability, social sustainability, and environmental sustainability. Economic sustainability. Ecotourism in Genilangit at the present time has already entered the stage of developing homestays and souvenir shops, and also expanding parking facilities. A total of 5% of the revenue resulting from the development in Genilangit ecotourism is allocated to members of the community in need. Social and cultural sustainability. First, Genilangit village holds a regular carnival with a parade of 1,000 tumpang, are also called rice cones. Number 2 is the second. The well-known martial art pencaksilat has the potential to become an attractive art performance. The third, in this village because many people still have the skills and expertise needed to perform this art. The fourth, at the present time, the art of Karawitan is already being developed in the village of Genilangit. Environmental sustainability. In addition to offering a natural beauty, the village of Genilangit on the mountainside of Mount Lawu is a place where the community is closely integrated with its natural surrounding. This is reflected in the development that have taken place in the ecotourism in Genilangit, which include: 1 is providing rubbish bins in all corners of the tourist park. Number 2, the second is prohibiting damage to plants in and around the tourist park. And the last, number 3, is implementing the concept in which every plant that is cut down must be replaced with another 100 plants. In view of the condition of the tourist park, which is located within a pine forest. Management of ecotourism in Genilangit village based on a stimulus of religious ecology. Priority is given to employing the inhabitants of Genilangit village, and there are no rules on the number of employees. The income procured from ecotourism is Genilangit is used primarily for the welfare of the local people as a way of giving thanks to the Creator. The administrators have no problem with the amount of money used to support social concerns, and expense for social matters are the main priority. Strategies of the Mountainside Community for adapting to climate change. Education about ecology from an early age is one of the main strategies adopted by the mountain community on Mount Lawu in its adaptation to climate change. Ecotourism is valued and developed as an enterprise that can also be used as a conservation strategy and offer an alternative form of economy for the community. With ecotourism, community can benefit from the beauty of nature that is still intact, as well as from the local culture and history of the area without damaging or selling its contents. The last is conclusion. Community-based ecotourism means that members of the community carry out the enterprise by themselves. The community-based ecotourism in Genilangit that has been developed in a conservation area is green and fair. Ecotourism, which is concerned with sustainable development and conservation. Ecotourism in Genilangit is community-based with the following indicators. 1. Genilangit community has knowledge about nature, enabling it to adapt to climate change and to develop its local culture. 2. The presence of this ecotourism recognizes the right of the local community to manage the tourist activity in the area that traditionally belongs to the community or to act as administrators. 3. Ecotourism has created job opportunities for the local community and reduced poverty. 4. It has developed various tourist services for visitors. 5. It has succeeded in developing a sense of religious ecology in the local community, encouraging the growth of identity and pride amongst the local community as a result of the increase in ecotourism activities in Genilangit.